begin by creating a simple cam and follower. We'll go out here to New, Metric Part, and we'll start off by drawing a box right at the center here. I'll lock to this axis. Let's make this 100 tab 150. Accept, and we'll push this out 40. And then let's go to thin wall, and we'll thin wall this box, leave the front open and these two sides. Click on those faces and we'll use a thickness of 5 millimeters. Then let's pull out this side here, just this one face. I'm going to turn off design intent and we'll pull this out 80. Hit escape. I'd like to go to the circle on this front face, and let's look at this from the sketch view. Create a circle right here of 10, and another circle over here, 10. Let's add a couple of dimensions to that. Let's make this 35, and we'll add another dimension between the two circles and make that 100. Let's go to select, identify those two regions, and I'll hold down the shift key to pick up the two areas at once and just push that through. We'll fit the view. Then on the top face here, I'd like to create a rectangle on this face and look at that from the top view. And I'd like to make that 16 tab 9. Accept. Let's extrude that face through also. Grab the region and push that through. Go out to View, Part Painter, and let's change the color to cyan. And we'll save this part as base. Now I'd like to go out here to the Application button, New, Assembly of Active Model. And so now I have this part in an assembly. And so I'm going to save the assembly, cam and follower. And I'd like to go to Create in Place, take the defaults, green check mark, and I'll call this Circle Cam. And I'll start by going to the Borrow command, and I'll click the reference plane that I'm sketching on, this front one, and borrow that circle. And I'd like to place another circle at the center of this circle. Let's make that 45. And I'll extrude that as 30. And I'll go out to View and change the color, Part Painter. Let's change that to green clear. And I'll close and return. Let's go and constrain this axial align this axis with this axis.